Some of the more advanced features of the simple text style when dealing with your labeling are on the Duplication and Clipping tab. When you come to this tab, you'll see, first of all, the Placement section. The Placement section allows you to define whether you want a label to show on each part of a multi-polygon if you're dealing with area shapes. The next setting is a Duplication Rule. Duplication Rule allows how many duplicate labels you want to display on the map, and we have three different settings. One duplicate per quadrant. So imagine you had a map, you may see a label in each 4 sections of the map. Also, we have unlimited duplicate labels, which will put it on as many times as it can to fit it in. By default, we set it to unlimited duplicate labels to show more labels instead of less and allow you to filter it down as necessary. Then in the clipping section, we have a couple different settings. One is to suppress partial labels. So for example, if you have a long label that cuts across a tile or off the side of the map, if you check that, it won't be displayed. Also, you can specify where you only want your label to draw if they fit within an area boundary. So for example, if you have a polygon such as a state and you only want the label to show up if it'll fit inside of it, you can check this box. Another option that becomes enabled when you check that box is the polygon or area fitting factor. And the larger number will allow for the label to be drawn more times. So for example, if you have a value of 2, it will take the polygon or the area and size it up by 2 and see if the label will fit in there. If it's actually 1, it has to fit within those boundaries. So again, the larger the value, the more likely you'll be to see the label. The last setting is for lines. So if you have a line that is going off the side of the map, and you check this box, it will reposition the label if it has room to fit fully within the extent. These duplication and clipping properties can be pretty handy when you're wanting to do some specialized things, so keep them in mind as you're working with the simple text style.